Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm really excited today because I get to share with you a guest design team kit that I received from Anna at mycraftingworlddesigns. So Anna did ask me if I would design for her again during the month of July, and of course I said yes. I always love doing that for certain companies, and Anna is one that I really enjoyed designing for back in April. So here's Anna's website, mycraftingworlddesigns.com, and she did give me a coupon code Enis10 for all my crafty peeps. So if you decide to shop, whether you're purchasing anything from the July release or anything else on her shop, be sure to use that coupon code for 10% off. This set here is going to be dropping today, which is July 4th. I'm posting my video early in the morning, and I would suggest that if you're going to shop with Anna this time around, be sure to shop early, because what's in this box is a limited edition. She's only going to have for sale a certain number of boxes, and what's in here you cannot get it any other time. Okay, so I'm just giving you a heads up on that right now. But she does have one design die set for release this time, and this will be in her shop for a while. I'm going to guess that if she sells out, maybe she'll get some more, because I think it's going to be really popular. She's calling this the Polaroid Picture Frame July 2025 release, and you get several dies in this set. You get the base piece, which is this really pretty scalloped edge. Then you have your Polaroid frame right here, and you can see it's got some really nice double stitching going all the way around. And then the Polaroid itself has a little layering piece right here for the bottom. So I don't know if you can see that there. And then you're going to get 4 words, and each one has a shadow. This one says memories, friends, family, and besties. And I think this is going to be perfect for your summer vacation crafting. Okay, can't you just see vacation photos in here? And you know, as soon as I saw this design set, I already knew what I was going to do right away with my first project. So yeah, I've got something in mind. I'm not going to give it away, but yeah, this is going to be perfect, and I would say definitely pick this up. It's going to be a crafting essential for you. Very, very nice. And then we have the limited edition ready to craft flower kit. So let's dig right in, and I did look in this box already, and I can't wait to show you all the yummy goodies in here. So she does have some pretty shred in there, decorating. You have a thank you note from My Crafting World Designs. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope this package brightens your day. Anna, once again, there is her website. And it's wrapped up in blue tissue, and I'm going to give you a close-up of her little sticker there. Thank you for your order. Really pretty. And to start out with, she is including a little free gift. I appreciate your business. Thank you. There's a number of little faceted gems in there that I think would be perfect for decorating your cards, your projects, inside flower centers. So thank you for that, Anna. And here is the die set that the only way you're going to be able to get this is through this kit. So if you're interested in this set, be sure to pick this kit up. Okay, she's calling this the flower plate number 3, and it comes first of all with this little plate here with the stems with the leaves on it. You get 3, 6, 8 sets there, and they're in 3 different sizes. You have the large, the medium, and the small. And then on the back here, you've got this gorgeous flower plate, and I always love when designers do this with the flowers, because you can cut this out one time and you've got all the petals you need to make loads of flowers. So, so pretty. You get 14 petals here, and you get 4 of the large, 5, 6 of the medium, and 4 of the small. Really, really nice. So thank you for that. And also in the kit, you're going to get a package of paper here. Get this out. Ooh, very nice quality paper. You get a variety of colors. So you're going to get this pretty pink, and the paper is actually textured. It feels like a linen texture. So you get pink and 2 yellow, super bright yellow, 2 of this blue, 2 of this deep red, and 2 of this dark green. And just look at this. Okay, I am seeing spring and summer flowers, and winter and Christmas flowers. And then of course you can use the green along with this, unless you want to use some lighter greens to go along with the brighter colors. But yes, all the paper you're going to need to create lots and lots of flowers. Just let me find that die set here. Yeah, let's just bring that up here. Okay. You're also going to get this packet here, and this is so cute how she's wrapped this up in this pretty pink bag. You're going to get these bead caps, and it looks like there's some jemmies in here. And of course, when we're making flowers, a lot of times we like to use the bead caps as our flower centers. So you see there, really, really pretty. You've got the gold caps as well as these diamond clear jemmies to put in the middle. So those are going to be fun to add to your flowers. Oh, let's see. You're also going to get a ink pad here in spun sugar. And you're going to get a finger dauber so you can apply the ink to the edges of your flowers to do a little distressing. And of course you'll have these for crafting other times as well, so that's really neat. And the last thing in the kit, and it is, oh my gosh, Anna, this is such a cute little touch. You've got the art glitter glue tucked in this organza drawstring bag. So cute and a nice touch. And so she's included a little less than a half of a bottle of art glitter glue. So you have everything you need to create loads of gorgeous flowers between the plates, the leaves, the paper, the inking supplies, the jemmies, the centers, and the glue. What a fantastic kit. So thank you, Anna, for allowing me to be a guest designer for you again this month. And I want to thank all of my crafty peeps for watching this video. Like I said, this is releasing today, July 4th. I am posting early in the morning. I'm suggesting you get on her website. If you're interested in this kit or this design set, you pick them up right away. The kits are going to go fast, and I really think this is going to be a very popular die set. I mean, so many pieces in here for you can use it for loads of different projects, not just a Polaroid frame. I mean, just so many fun things. The words alone are going to be worth your while. So yeah, be sure to pick these up if you're interested. Use my coupon code for Enis10 to get 10% off your order. And if you decide to create anything using these products, I would love it if you would send me photos of your projects on my new community tab, which is available on my homepage, but I think you have to use a mobile device in order to access it. But I would love to see the projects you create. And be sure to be watching for my projects throughout the month, because I've got a couple things planned already. Links to everything is going to be down in the description box below. Thanks again, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.